Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, where we keep you informed on the latest electric vehicle news and trends from around the world. Today, we're shining a spotlight on Iran's bold move to transition its fuel mix to cleaner energy. In an effort to reduce carbon emissions and diversify its economy, Iran has taken a significant step towards embracing sustainable transportation. According to Mohammad Sadiq Azamifar, head of the National Iranian Oil Refining and Distribution Company, NIORDC, the country's Economic Council recently approved a resolution that mandates electric vehicle charging units at all new fuel stations. Imagine visiting your local gas station and finding not only conventional fuel pumps, but also state-of-the-art charging points for electric vehicles. This is exactly what Iran aims to achieve with its new policy, aiming to attract more EV adopters in the country and pave the way for a greener future. Now, we know what you're thinking. How will this impact existing fuel stations? Well, NIORDC plans to integrate EV charging points into these stations subject to feasibility assessments and collaboration with current operators. This move might initially seem costly, but it's actually an investment in the country's long-term energy efficiency goals. But that's not all. NIORDC is also gearing up to launch additional projects aimed at modernizing Iran's aging vehicle fleet with electric alternatives. These initiatives will be financed partially through gasoline savings bonds issued to support fuel efficiency, offering a unique opportunity for consumers to contribute to a more sustainable future while enjoying reduced fuel costs. As the world shifts towards cleaner energy sources, countries like Iran are taking bold steps to join this transition. At ElectroDrive News, we'll keep you updated on the latest EV news and trends from around the globe, so stay tuned for more exciting developments in the world of electric vehicles.